Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable shortcuts on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. You click here on general here, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just click here on keyboard, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you just come here to shortcut, click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean shortcut in the blue with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.